Are you looking for a powerful way to restore your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being? Infinite Stone is the perfect solution. There are infinite benefits to this incredible, powerful stone. It can raise your natural vibration, provide relaxation for a restful sleep, open doors into a spiritual realm, unlocking hidden potentials that you have, and removing negative energies from our body and soul. It also helps clear all the chakras. This crystal can even help us activate our Kundalini energy and increase healing during Reiki. Meditate with Infinite Stone can enhance the user's ability to visualize and connect with spiritual energies. When using Infinite Stone during meditation, visualize white energy traveling through your spine and activating the Kundalini energies. The stone also helps one become more connected with the fairies in nature and opens up the channel to communication with the angelic realms. Furthermore, Infinite Stone can improve sleep quality and relaxation and increase psychic abilities if used on a regular basis. Infinite Stone is an excellent tool for those in interest in their spiritual growth and connecting with their higher self and allowing them to experience a deeper sense of inner peace. It can help one find their true purpose in life and give them the clarity of thought and helping them make a positive change for better. By connecting with Infinite Stone's energy, one can explore and understand the mysteries of the universe more deeply and gain insight to the meaning of life. Wearing Infinite Stone jewelry can help cleanse your energy fields of any negative blockages, facilitating a free flow of energy and increasing your vibrations. It's a protective stone, creating a shield around the wearer that deflects negative energy and encourages positive vibrations. Carry an Infinite tumbled stone with you throughout the day to increase feelings of self-confidence and reassurance in your decisions. Infinite Stone encourages one to step out of their comfort zone, radiating inner strength and courage that allows transformation to happen. It helps release any fear or trauma from past experiences that might be holding us back. It can also help us attract abundance, love, and prosperity into your life. Placing Infinite Stones in your personal space can be used to release stress and tension, making it an ideal stone for those who are looking to have a little bit more peaceful life. With its calming energies, it can encourage relaxation, patience, and strengthening one's connection with their inner self. Place a piece of Infinite Stone under your pillow if you're suffering from restlessness or sleepless nights and tossing and turning or anything like that. It can help give a little bit more restful energy. Also is said to place it in the southeast or east area of your home or room to increase the abundant energies. Finally, to cleanse, Infinite Stone can be held under running water for a short period of time, as water physically cleanses the stone as well as washes away any negative energy or vibrations it may have picked up. You can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it under the full moon.